Okay, so I think we're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna go for it. Boom, we're going for it, right? Bam, here we are. We're back. What? I'm still alive, guys. All right, hey guys, what's up? What's shaking? What's going on? Wait, what was my intro? Man, I haven't done this in a long time. 4 months. 4 months it's been since I've uploaded, since I've made a video. It's been a long time. And I'd like to say so much has changed. I've been working on all kinds of projects for you guys, but I can't say that because that would be a huge lie. As you can see, still rocking the flower wallpaper back here. Still the same, everything's still the same. We're still the same, we're still in the same place. I don't like that. I haven't made anything in 4 months and I want to get back in the saddle. I want to hop back into the saddle. So I got a few videos in the works, this being one of them. Yeah, basically this is just me saying I'm still alive, I'm still here. I do miss making videos and I will be making videos to some degree. I've actually taken some of your guys' suggestions from not my last video, but my video where I said I wasn't sure what to do, I was running out of ideas. I've actually taken some of those ideas and actually started writing. I wrote them down, started thinking about them. Yes, I know that video is almost 6 months old, but bear with me, yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna try to be consistent, but we'll just see what happens. Maybe I'll just get a video out whenever I humanly possibly can. That's a lot of Lee words. Anyway, so yeah, thank you guys for sticking around. For those of you who are still subscribed, thank you. So we'll see. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for clicking on it, and I will see you guys. What did I say? I'll see you guys next week. I'll see you guys in the next video or at the track.